Let me get my gaming chair. First of all, welcome back to a new. Okay, fuck. I said fork. Fork. Okay, so welcome back to the new episode of me drinking water. Today we are going to discuss about environmental problems. This is the first time I'm doing this. Old people have kind of destroyed the earth. They have used up all our resources, fossil fuels, made a lot of pollution, made money out of war. Yeah, war money. Did not keep anything for us. Developed fights between each other. Developed hate between each other for small things like caste. I can't talk on that topic, but yeah, that is a topic that is discussable, but I can't discuss because I'm drinking water. I'm just a kid. What would I know? The earth is dying, and all we have to do is post a story on Instagram saying, please support some burning in Australia. Let's not try to prevent something like this happening. Let's post the story. Let's inspire others, right? This is the fifth, otherwise, I'm just drinking a lot of water. You would be asking, why is Ronio suddenly talking like this? It's because, like, I don't know, I'm just bored and I don't have content to make. Like, let's fight over religion or let's fight over who's better, which country is better. Not Earth as a whole has to survive the civilization or something like that. My English is bad. My English is seriously bad. Fuck. Fork. I hope this video doesn't get taken down, because if it does, I'm coming for you. It's no nut November, so I'm not coming for you. Pun intended. I'm not even funny. This is 6th or 7th, I don't care. I'm drinking one more to make sure. Aha, I made my pants wet by dropping a little water on my pants. I don't ask you to subscribe this channel. I don't ask you to give me likes or shares. Just like, no way. You have to subscribe the channel. You don't have to like. You can unlike the videos. It's fine. But subscribe the channel. Because I had to defeat a person. Like, it's a friendly challenge. That's it. I hope. Okay, and I bought something. It's a controller. I don't know how to show it right now. It's for my PC. I have to turn my PC on. It's turned on. So that's it. Oh yeah, my day today was great. We had a great lectures. I don't even remember what happened in lectures, but the lectures were great. I woke up in the morning thinking some of my friends died. Shout out to Renil, Kadeen, and Olive from Life After. I thought they died, and I started crying in my sleep. I wasn't crying. Thank you, Janvi Ketwani, for this bracelet, rope thingy, and thanks God for surviving me. Something like that. I'm just taking the video too long because I want to keep you here with me because I am alone. I don't have anyone. I hope my mom doesn't come out there. Also, I'm thinking about like some other videos because I'm just drinking water. My kidney will fail, like too much water, kidney failing. So I'm thinking of something else. If you guys have ideas, please do tell me in the comments because I'm too lazy to think. I'm not even creative at all. You guys are so creative. Why do we even exist? I don't even know to make a thumbnail, so I'm just gonna stop it here.